Arcade frenzy. Let's do it. Stinker. Gag and Blag are on the hunt for threats. Like this video, or if you see me in your sleep, sit back, relax, and grab a coke. Playing with these clocks. Blag will go broke. Blah is a waste. This we know. I will stop here for now. Watch the video.
Folks, we were in the bathroom of the redneck truck stop at Tillatoga, Mississippi, and look, they have games in here. What are these? Harney goat weed? The hell is that? Slimmer, Candom. Where's Candom in? Texas, was it?
Yeah.
Isn't that where my Earl is from? Something like that?
South Carolina.
Yeah, Candom. For a snugger fit. This is 12 assorted surprises and laughs. Novelties, adult novelties. Alright, we're going. If somebody comes in here, we're going to have to stop filming. Someone coming. Oh, okay. What should we get first? I want the surprises, but I'm also curious about the little goat toy. Here it is, look. There's a little goodie in here. I'm gonna put these in my pocket. We'll get a bunch of them. It says there's 12 different ones, and we'll look in the car.
Be quiet so I can hear people coming.
Okay. Let's get the goat. Oh, I hate touching these. They look kind of nasty. What is this? Harney goat weed, a Chinese herb. Whatever, we'll look in a little while. Okay, let's get one each, okay?
Okay.
It's stuck in that. Look! 2 in 1! 2 in 1, baby. Hey, I kind of want to do that again. See if we get another 2 in 1. Let's see. What if they're giving 2 for 1 goodies? You got what's going? You probably heard something. We don't want to get caught filming in the bathroom. Okay, let's get. We didn't get one of these yet, did we?
No.
What are these? Pockets get full up. Let's spend some good money on this. Yeah, they don't need to hear giggling coming from the bathroom. Let's get a bunch of these, okay? Oh, yellow. White one. Let's just spend it all on these toys. You know? Oh, we already got one of these, but there's 12 of them, so let's see what else we can get. Maybe we can give away the yellow one to a subscriber if it's something good. Did we already get a white one? Seriously, another freaking yellow? Maybe it's different stuff. Maybe there's only a few boxes. We need to get another goat, too. Were they little plastic goats or something? Ooh, look, a blue one. The mini stimulator. What the hell is that? Oh, no. Quiet.
Customers are coming in.
What?
Customers.
Another yellow. Okay, only a couple more. Another yellow. They might be different though. Okay, look, folks. We're gonna go out to the car and we'll show y'all what we got. All this for less than $10. Okay, we'll see you in just a moment. Okay, we made it out of the gas station now. We got the toys. Take a look at this. This pile's the, I don't know, something you wear. That one is a slimmer fit Camden. Genuine, I don't know, weed. Isn't that illegal? We got a Desire, whatever the hell that is. And then these are all the toys. Okay, so what do you think we should go for first, Blah?
Go for a toy.
Toy, and then we'll do a toy, then go off to something else. There's a bunch of toys at the bottom that are the same. This is the Spanish fly, Oulé, she says. The one and only genuine imitation guaranteed Spanish fly in captivity. Try it and see what happens. There's an animal in here?
God.
Whoa! Damn! Did you see that? Little thing trying to come out? Okay, what do we have? This is it. I got a piece of paper.
Okay.
And
So he's in there.
nice little boxes. Yeah, I think he's stuck in there.
I can't see that.
That's-
It's glare.
Isn't that like a dirty picture? Look at him. That was it. Spent 75 cents on that. Can we even show that? That was nasty. Okay, well let's try something else. Maybe we'll get something else. Maybe the mini stimulator won't be so dirty.
Okay.
Alright, let's try Desire Ribbed Texture to enhance sensation. What is that? What sensation? I didn't get no sensation from that. So there could basically be anything in here, I guess. Something that you desire, though. It hasn't expired yet, whatever it is. That must mean there's food in here. Something you eat.
Looks
Yeah,
like
some
gum.
Yeah, gum. What's all this? Sterilization. Lowest expected. So, weird feeling gum. You want to try first or me?
Go ahead.
Sticky.
Don't waste it.
It's disgusting. I'm not even gum, bro. Ugh! Nasty friggin'. Trying to figure out what that tastes like. Tastes like olive oil. You ever eaten plain olive oil?
Yes.
Ugh. That's all slimy. Okay, back to the toys. I'm not happy with this so far. It's Foreplay Dick's original rubber check. Use only as a last resort.
Hey, I can't see it. It's so bright.
You can't see it on the thing?
There we go.
Yeah. Redeemable at any sperm bank. What the hell is that? Prevention of disease. It's sold as a novelty. Whatever. Let's see. I hope none of them have any more gum. I'm about done with that. Hell. The rubber check. Pay to the order of blank dripples. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, it's a balloon.
Whoa.
Cool.
Ooh, it's a little stinky.
What's stinky?
That thing.
Excuse me. Ah, it's so slippery. Ah! It's the slipperiest damn thing I've ever seen. Ah! There we go. Ah, it's coming undone. Damn it, it's breaking. It's breaking. Maybe. There it went, over there.
Where?
Damn, look, film, it's over, it's out there. It's down there. Can you not open your door and film it?
Oh, there it went.
There it is.
Okay.
Jeez, that was scary. Damn, did you hear that weird sound coming out of it?
That was the creature one.
Damn it, you dropped all these.
No, it did.
Oh, it did?
Let me see if there's
Something down here. What, you found one down there?
No.
Was there anything else down there, bro?
No, it's just a
Okay,
spatula.
well, these are toys, so. Okay, so that was a toy. So
Geez, let's open another toy.
Well, let's go do other things first. Let's try the weed. Genuine. I don't know if this is legal to have. A Chinese herbal product for men and women to increase desire and sensitivity. Each tablet. They're tablets. It says not to eat more than 6 in a 24-hour period, so there must be food in here. I definitely don't want to eat that.
Why?
Do you want it? It might be gum. You want to try it?
No.
It's hard though. It's like a pill. I hate pills.
Well, chew it.
Maybe it's chewable. Oh my God! Give me water now.
Where'd it go? Oh, I left it on the machine.
Oh, I drank all that, please. Holy crap. This is the worst thing I've ever tasted, but help, really. I need water now.
I need money.
Cut the camera.
Okay.
Thank God for these little toothpick things we found. Ugh. I've been scrubbing with that toothpick since you left, bud. I'm not even lying. That is the absolute worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. I think it's meant to be swallowed and not tasted. But it went to powder the moment I bit it. Who knows how long it's been in there. It must have gone sour. Here, get back in. Honestly, I don't even want to continue. I have not had a good experience with this crap at all. Let's see what the mini stimulator is, but I'm not eating anything else. Making the best of small tools. The mini stimulator. So what, it's like a little screwdriver or something? 75 cents. What the hell? It's a little balloon. Like a little finger balloon or something. Cool. I wonder if it's supposed to be blown up. Look, it's got this little part. Look. Come here. Put your hand out. Feel that? Guess it's supposed to feel good rubbing against.
Do it up your nose.
Alright. Let's try one of these. The Ultra Sensitive by Lifestyles Ultra Sensitivo. Almost like wearing nothing at all. One premium lubricated latex Camden. So no telling what this is. How do you get it open? I would have rather bought some from the one by the toy stuff by the door instead of doing all that. They had some little mini fast food erasers and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
This one expires, so be warned, it's food. This looks like that little thing you opened a moment ago, and I don't know what the hell that is. I'm not messing with it. Same with that. It's Camden, what that is. Ultra sensitive latex. Let's see. Yeah, ultra sensitive latex. I'm not even opening those. We already know. Let's open the rest of the toys. We got a Tingler ring. It's glow in the dark. Enhances pleasure for both partners. Achieve total fulfillment together. This is one of these like little self-help books or something in here. You can do it. I believe in you. You have the power. I don't know. There's no expiration date though, so at least it's something. Huh. What the hell is that? Tingler ring, glow in the dark. It's just trash. What is that even for?
Your arm?
I can't fit that on my arm easily. Can you film me, please?
Sorry, there was a fella.
Oh, it's a little bracelet. It's made for kids, though. Ow, 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 blah.
What?
Let's cut
Oh,
my,
God.
Oh, my God, blah. Ow! Ow, that started to hurt. Damn. Well, I've got nothing but BS from all this. We got all these are the same. We have a bunch of, oh, we got one last thing here. Well, that's Camden. Over the Hill. Lifetime Supply. Okay. Let's open one of, no, let's, Lifetime Supply. How does that work? Who wants even one of them? There's no greater grief than to remember days of joy when misery is in your hand. Dante Revised. What does that mean? Not sold for the prevention or disease of births or prevention of anything. For those, Ribs personal brand. For those who aren't as good as they once was and once more would put them 6 feet under. What? Another damn bracelet? I'm not even trying to put that here. You put your hand out.
No.
Oh my God, you just... Get ready. Get ready. I got you. Okay, let's open up the guide here. Can I ask this man if he wants one? If he came back here, I'd give him one. I almost did. An exciting guide that increases arousal for lovers. Oh, this is something dirty, I think. Saw some shadows.
It's just that fella.
Okay, what is this? Ultimate embrace. Lovers are straddling each other tightly for deep penetration. This allows eye contact, soft caresses, and passionate kissing. The unicycle. Oh, that's where we end the video. Not putting that on the channel. Did we just buy a bunch of sex